Okay, students, let's start here. Application of some aspects. Application of electrochemistry. Sorry, what is industrial application of electrochemistry? Nothing but here. Okay, in industrial electrolysis process. For suppose I want to extract any metals is there, no? You remember aluminum extraction, sodium extraction, iron extraction. We use electrochemistry only. To identify whether reactions takes place, electrochemical reactions are there, no? This electrochemistry will be easy only. Batteries are what are the batteries you are using depend upon the electrochemistry. Fuel cells are there. For suppose I am using the electrical generator. Electrical generator, what it will do here? It will take some petrol or diesel, will start engine and produce electricity only. Some electrochemical devices only, mobile gadgets, whatever techniques depend upon this one only. Electrochemical method analysis only. So method of analysis they will use for the electrochemistry only. By using of the electrolysis, you can go for the electroplating is done by achievement only. To protect some materials, objects, nothing from the corrosion process, they use this one process only, electroplating only. To increase the resistance of chemical activity. Suppose some materials readily react with chemicals other to prevent that one is the iron under rusting easily. You prepare a alloy, nothing but it can be preventable process only. Okay, next. So next one is to improve the physical appearance of this. Suppose I am preparing some alloys as brass to be looking like a very glitters and also to attract only. What they will do, they will add some other metals by using some electroplating, nothing but daily form. To modify the hardness only. Suppose you prepare alloy is there, no? The alloys you prepare. I am adding small amount of iron plus small amount of carbon. Iron strength will be increases only. Do you know what they consider as a wrought iron, pig iron? Types of irons are there, no? The iron is which you are using in our railway tracks is different. The iron what you are using in a daily life is different only. To repair the damaging parts of the machinery. Some you know very well is there, no? You studied in 10th standard. Okay. You studied in 10th standard aluminothermite process. In aluminothermite process, to connect it to breaking up their tracks, so they will use this one machine only. To strengthen the lightweight metals, so only some non-metallic gas classes they will use this method. To obtain the conducting surfaces like copper plating on the wooden plating, something else, no, they will use this method only. Okay. Look at this one, they will use the electroplating method. They use, no, they will apply here. So for the electrolyte here is nickel sulfate solution containing of the nickel chloride or nickel aluminum sulfate. For this method you use electroplating only. Okay. So this method is to improve some properties of metal, they use electroplating only. So to remember the pH values also. Okay, here next one is considered. Okay, anode only, cathode only. Okay, students, let's start with some other different introduction to electromotive force only. Electromotive force only. What is electromotive force? Means the potential difference between the anode and cathode is called electromotive force only. Suppose you know very well on chemical reaction, if you electrolytic cell, if you take here, look at in this condition is there, no? Here negative charge will be generated, here negative charge will be generated, here positive charge will be generated. Because of negative charge, what happens there? Here slowly zinc ions are moving to the solution. The zinc ion generate electrons are there, no? Here electrons repulsions appears. These electrons are pushed the coming electrons are pushing the already existing electrons from the electrode. This is called EMF, electromotive force only. Some force applied on electrons to move. The electromotive. Because of electromotive force only, electrons are moved from one electrode to another electrode. Whenever the potential difference is generated, suppose I am just mentioning here minus 0.76 volts will come here, here positive plus 0.34 volts. Because of charge difference will be there, then only electrons are moved from one electrode to another electrode. Electromotive force. You can also see one basic in voltaic cell is there. Now time leads, what happens here, the concentration of zinc ion will be decreased. Just look at the size of this electrode is slowly decreasing. Look at some concentration of ions are then it's also increasing here. Look at some dots are there. Look at the similarly what happens, the time leads on slowly copper ion will be deposited only. So time leads on copper will be deposited, zinc will be dissolved in the solutions only. We go for some other slide, you will get very clear idea is there, no? So look at here, similar initial is like this one is after the chemical reaction, voltaic cell will be appear like this one. Clear is there, no? Copper will be deposited, zinc will be dissolved in the solution during the electrolysis process. Next, coming to the standard hydrogen electrode. What is my standard hydrogen electrode? I am taking the consistent. Look at the standard hydrogen electrode, also called as SHE. Very important. consists of the platinum electrode. Look at this is nothing but one platinum wire inside is will be there in the platinum wire. Along with the platinum wire, they will take the 1 molar hydrochloric acid. 1 molar of cell is there. No, they will pass hydrogen gas here through the 1 atmosphere pressure. So hydrogen gas they are passing 1 atmosphere pressure. Here what happened here? The look at here what happened is initially hydrogen undergo oxidation and hydrogen undergo reduction. Both here hydrochloric acids plus ion is then they undergo reduction only. Here hydrogen undergo oxidation only. So what are the potential generated? The potential value is always taken as a 0 only. Okay, no, the potential value is always taken as a 0. Look at how you can calculate standard electrode potential value. But reduction, look at the reduction potential at the cathode, reduction potential at the anode. Both cathode and anode both are hydrogen only. No, there is no change in the difference, charge difference separation not there. So the value, whatever the value you get, the value you get 0 only. This is the standard reduction potential value for hydrogen. Suppose you will take some other example. Zinc I am taking here, the zinc sulfate, zinc nitrate they have taken here, copper nitrate only. Here the you know very well this is on YouTube only. Okay, no? Here is considered here what happened here. Here reduction potential of the zinc nothing but 0.76 volt. Reduction potential of the copper how much is 0.34 volts, which is a major. Here look at the high amount negative charge is more tendency to give electrons. That's the reason why electrons are moved from zinc to copper only. Clear? How can you calculate total cell potential? How much charge is generated in the cell? How much charge generated in cell is nothing but 1.1 volt is there. No, how can you calculate 1.1 volt is there? No, look at here. Look at E cell standard cell potential value is equal to reduction potential at cathode minus reduction potential at anode. Reduction potential at cathode how much is there here? You know very well reduction potential at cathode only, you know, 0.34 volt. Okay, 0.34 volt. Reduction potential anode is minus 0.76 volt only. So what will get here? 0.34 volts minus of minus 0.76 volt. Total is 0.14 volt. So 1.10 volts. So this much amount of charge is generated when you connect with the 1 molar. Look at the condition of standard condition. 1 molar of zinc nitrate, 1 molar of copper nitrate only. If the concentration changes, how much amount of electricity is produced here? This is discussed by the Nernst equation. Very very important. So here we can calculate here. We are discussing about standard hydrogen electrode only. No? Look at here in this one standard. Look at here, student mentioned the standard electrode potential only. In the standard electrode potential, one beaker they are taking. In this beaker, they are taking one glass tube. In this glass tube, they are taking one platinum electrode. Platinum electrode. It contains some black floating platinum black. They will say here, and they will connect with some external circuit. Here they are passing hydrogen gas only. When they are passing the hydrogen gas here, both oxidation reduction takes place. They are taking 1 molar of carbon. They are taking as a 1 molar only. They are very very important. They will come for the 3 marks and 4 marks is there. Suppose remember here what I am just considered. Suppose I am just taking here what I am there here. Hydrogen here. Look at it. Hydrogen atom gains electrons. Hydrogen atom gains electrons. They undergo reduction process. So what happens? Hydrogen atom here 2 electrons to hydrogen atom gains, it becomes a hydrogen gas only. So look at here, I am passing hydrogen gas only. No, what happens? The hydrogen gas under oxidation only. So what happens here? Hydrogen gas loses 2 electrons. Hydrogen gas loses electrons, and they form a 2H plus atom. 2H plus. It form a 2H plus. Along with 2H plus, 2 electrons will come. 2 electrons only. Okay, 2 electrons only. So both these reactions takes place simultaneously. Both these reactions takes place simultaneously. Suppose look at the I am taking this one is LHS. If take this LHS, this is also LHS only. No? Look at here LHS only. No? This is RHS. This is also RHS only. No? What happened there? Here 2 electrons will be cancelled. Here 2 electrons. It means hydrogen gas undergo oxidation. Hydrogen atoms undergo reduction. The total potential value, what are the potential value generated? Look at it, we take the each total cell potential value, each cell potential value of hydrogen electrode. I mentioned 0 standard condition. Why the standard condition means they are taking is there 1 molar. They are taking is there 1 molar. 1 molar only. So what you get here mentioned is that is considered E cathode. You know, this mention E right hand minus E left hand only. E left hand. Okay, no, E left hand. So E reduction at the anode. Remember anode here. Remember E reduction at the anode. E reduction at the cathode only. E reduction at the anode here. Just imagine here. E reduction at the anode. Okay, E reduction at E reduction at anode, E reduction at cathode only. So what will get the value? Will get the value is equal to 0 only, and the value will get the difference value is 0 only. This is nothing but standard electrode. That's only hydrogen electrode. So you last one question, sir. Why you are taking hydrogen electrode standard means in the class I cannot say whether the student is good or bad by based on the only one student are there. We cannot compare. If suppose if 20 students are, then I can compare now which one who are studying is better. Highest marks who got highest marks and lowest marks who got. Then comparison takes place now. That reason why to measure the electrode potential, how much amount of volts generated. Similarly, they have taken is they know look at here they will connect with some other one. We'll get some better example here. We'll go for next slide. Look at here, just consider the salt bridge only. Okay. Look at here, I'm taking here left hand side is there. Left hand side I am placing hydrogen standard electrode. Next one is copper replaces. Why they mention is copper is there? Copper having positive electrode potential, it will take electrons under reduction process only. So hydrogen undergo oxidation only. So what I mean the electrode potential value consider here 2 here. You'll get the when you go for the calculation, you'll get the electrode potential value of the copper is plus 0.34 volts. 0.34 volt. So this one is what happened here. How we will say this is just 0.34 means here electrode potential value of hydrogen is 0. Electrode potential value of hydrogen is 0 only. Here electrode potential value get the 0.34 volts only. Suppose if we go for some other slide, we'll get clarity. If I take the zinc, look at it. I'm taking the copper is there. No copper I'm taking is the left hand side. Anode, acting anode. Here hydrogen acting as a cathode only. Suppose if I take the some other one is zinc electrode is there. If I take zinc electrode, look at it. If I take zinc electrode, okay, just one point remember here. The hydrogen electrode potential value how much is there? 0. 0 means what happened here? We'll take the always taken the right hand side only. Positive are always taken the left hand side only. So look at here. I'm taking some other electrode is there. Now look at I'm taking the zinc is there. In this condition, what happened here? Tension zinc here. I'm generally taking the. So I'm taking generally taking zinc is the right hand side. Sorry, hydrogen right hand side, zinc is left hand side is there now. The electrode potential value, if you calculate the electrode potential value, how much you get the electrode potential value is there now. If you calculate the electrode potential value, you get the electrode potential value E naught. E naught value I got the minus. Like reduction potential just consider my look at the plus minus 0.76 volt. 0.76 volts only. 0.76 volts of the look at so based on the hydrogen electrode look at the just consider 0.76 previous copper got a 0.36 so we can easily say that the undergo reduction or oxidation at the based on sun only. So the standard reduction potential value, the potential under the standard condition 25 degrees 25 degrees here, look at the 25 degrees concentration, 1 molar 25 degrees temperature, 1 molar concentration, but standard condition only. Clear? So go for the next slide is there now here. Look at the given value, standard reduction potential value already we discussed in the previous class. So here go for the look at the concept test question says again if the reduction of mercury in a voltaic cell is desired. Look at half reaction they have taken is there mercury on reduction process well 0.80 volts is there. Which of the following reaction could be used to as an anode? An oxidation process. Look at here, look at the dimension is 0.84 volt. Look at this value is less than this value, it is acting as an electron donor only. More than this value, it acts as electron acceptor. What they mention is there which one is acting as an oxidation process only. What is the oxidation process? Pass this one and just do that one students here. Look at here. Look at the cell potential difference in volts between the electrodes of an electrochemical cells. Direction of oxidation reduction reactions only indicates here. Next one is positive value indicates the spontaneous reaction. Suppose if you take the total cell potential value is positive spontaneous chemical reaction, total cell potential value coming as negative is non-spontaneous chemical reaction. Okay, standard cell potential value the potential difference in volts between the hydrogen electrode. I'm taking standard electrode potential value 1 molar concentration 25 degrees Celsius, pressure nothing but 1 atmosphere temperature, 1 atmosphere pressure. If you take the this is called standard electrode potential value. So cell representation diagram already you know, zinc here, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate only. One is acting as anode, one is acting as a cathode only. If you don't go for the previous equation is there now, in this previous equation look at here, zinc act as a anode. oxidation happen. Here is cathode, reductions happen. Clear is, bromine never undergo oxidation only and also do reduction process. Its value is 1.07 volts.